Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install. Today's wig is from Yolissa Hair and this is their beautiful wear and go body wave glueless 5x5 lace closure wig. This wig comes pre-cut, like the lace actually comes pre-cut. The wig also comes pre-plucked for you, and you guys, guess what? I did not bleach the knots on this wig whatsoever. She literally came out the box ready to go, ready to wear, and it was super easy to install. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is the wig here. Once again, this wig is from Yolissa Hair. This is their wear and go body wave glueless 5x5 lace closure wig. Now, as I mentioned earlier, that lace does come pre-cut and it also comes pre-plucked, and I did not have to bleach the knot, so I am going to give you guys a close-up of that lace. That lace came ready. Like, I was actually really surprised as to how well the lace was looking, and the more I looked at it, I was like, you know what? We do not have to bleach. Also, the inside of the wig, just so you guys know, it is a dome cap wig, which means it's a lot more comfortable and a lot more breathable. I do have this particular wig in 24 inches and it is 180% density. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup onto your lace. Now this is to help make the lace look a lot more believable and blend in with your skin color. Next, you're going to want to adjust that adjustable strap for a nice glueless wig install. So it's whatever your preference. You do not have to worry about if your head is too big or if your head is too small. This wig is designed to fit like all sizes. So all you have to do is adjust that adjustable strap to what your preference is and then just throw the wig on. Once I'm comfortable with how the lace is looking and how the wig is looking, I will be using my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure that the top of the wig is laying flat, and also just make sure that the lace is looking super melted as well. Alright, so the wig is looking nice and flat. That was real easy, right? So now it is time to refresh the curls. Remember, I did not wash the wig. I didn't bleach the knots or anything like that. So this wig is technically fresh out the box. So I really just wanted to refresh the curls because it kind of got a little frizzy. So I will be using some anti-frizz spray from Garnier, and I'm also going to be using my curling wand. I will have everything listed in the description box down below if you are curious as to which products I'm using in this video. Oh, also I cut layers into this wig. I just did a little bit because I just wanted the front of the wig to just frame my face a little bit better. But then I just went ahead and started curling the wig as normal. So as you guys are watching me curl this wig, which is like really simple, I'm just wrapping the hair around the curling wand. I just wanted to talk to you guys about the wig in general. First of all, this hair, you guys, is amazing quality. I really hope you can see how beautiful it looks right here on the video. The hair is super soft and it was giving luxury, and it just felt so good naturally. Like it was like a natural silky type of texture. I was obsessed with it. I also love the quality of the lace, like I told you guys earlier. You guys know me, I'm normally known for bleaching my wigs right away, and the fact that I did not have to do that with this one, I was super thankful. And I also did not have to pluck or anything like that. So to all my beginners out there, if you are looking for a wig where not only is it ready to wear out the box, but you do not need to bleach the knots at all, I would definitely recommend this one. The lace is amazing, and also the hair quality is amazing as well. And it takes 3 seconds to literally just throw on your head and just leave on out the door. As you guys see, like I literally took it right out the box and just threw it right on. Like I didn't wash it, I didn't do anything to it. The wig literally came ready to go. Okay, so we are all done with the curls. I really wanted to mimic like how the hair had originally came, because as you guys saw earlier when I brushed it out, it was giving like that natural effortless type of wave. So I really wanted to keep that, and also I just felt like the hair deserved that. The hair is so soft and it's just so bouncy on its own, so I didn't really feel like I needed to do like tight curls, and normally I'm not a tight curl type of girl anyways. But this is how the hair came out, and as you guys see, it is still 100% glueless. That is all I had to do for today's install, you guys. It was that easy. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. The direct link to the wig that I'm currently wearing in this video will be listed there, as well as the products that I used in this video in my Amazon store. Shout out to Yolissa Hair for producing a real ready to wear type of wig. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.